In this video, I will cover the top Power BI interview questions that are commonly asked in interviews from beginner to advanced level. So make sure you watch till the end because some of these questions are asked in almost every Power BI interview. If you're new here, this channel is all about Power BI, SQL, analytics, and business intelligence. So don't forget to subscribe for such videos. Now let's start with the interview questions. Our first interview question is, what are the main components of Power BI? So Power BI has a five main components, mainly the desktop version, the service version, the mobile version, and Power Query and Power Pivot. Desktop is used for creating reports, while Power BI service is used for sharing reports online. Our next question is, what is the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI service? Power BI desktop is used to create dashboards and reports on your system. It is the desktop version which you can download from the Microsoft Store or Power BI website also. And Power BI service is a cloud-based and it's generally used for publishing, sharing, and collaboration of the Power BI reports. Next question is, what is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It is a formula language used in Power BI for calculations like totals, rankings, percentage, and business metrics. In the previous video, we had taken the chocolate dataset dashboard in which we had applied the DAX functions also to calculate the measures. So I will show you once again. This was the dashboard that we created previously, chocolate dataset dashboard, in which we created like growth percentage. This was the DAX function. And like previous year also, we calculated profit margin, we calculated these are all the DAX functions that we had created. So if you want to create, you can go to the modeling tab and from here new measure and new column, you can create the DAX functions, or from here DAX query view is also there. This tab is also available. You can go to this tab and apply the queries. Next question is, what is Power Query? Power Query is used for data cleaning and transformation part. For example, we can remove all null values, changing data types, splitting columns, and cleaning messy data. For Power Query, we can go to this Transform Data tab, and this window will open. This is the chocolate data set only, which we have used in the previous video. So we had applied and checked whether the data is correct or not, and null values are there or not. If you want to see this video, you can go to my previous video and check it over there. Our next question is, what is the difference between measure and calculated column? A calculated column is a calculated row by row and stored inside the table. A measure is calculated dynamically based on filters and visuals. Measures are not optimized and commonly used in dashboards. So in the previous video, we had seen like this. We had used the measures over there, like growth percentage is the measure. We had used the previous year as the measure, profit margin as the measure. And if you want to create the calculated column, you can go to the new column and create the calculated column as well. It is the formulas are same as the measure only, just it is the we are creating the measure for the visuals and columns for the tables. Next question is, what is calculate function? Calculate is one of the most important DAX functions. It modifies filter context. Like in this, we had used the calculate function in sales by dark category, in which we use the calculate function to filter out the product category which is dark. So you will be using the calculate functions everywhere where you want to do the filters. Next question is, what is data modeling? Data modeling means creating relationship between the tables. So in the previous video, we had the chocolate data set in which we created the relationship, and you can come to this relationship tab, model view tab, and you can create the relationship among the tables. So we had created like in from the stores table to the sales table, the store ID was common as the primary key in the stores table, and in the sales table also we had the store ID. So we had built the relationship between them like this. We had created the relationship and the relationship was established. It was done so that we can use the values in both the tables. Like there will no error when we'll be using the stores and sales table in the one visualization, in one chart. With related to the relationship part, our next question is what is relationship cardinality? So there are three cardinality, one to one, one to many, and many to many. So when we see in this relationship, there is a cardinality in which there are four cardinality are there, many to one, one to many, and many to many are there. You can apply this cardinality according to the data that you have and according to the values that we have. And next question is, what is the difference between import and direct query? In import mode, data is stored inside the Power BI. In direct query mode, Power BI fetches data live from the source. Import is faster while direct query is used for real-time data. In this chocolate data set, we had only imported the data using the Excel file. So it's stored in this Power BI file only. But if we had used the direct query, then it will be fetching the data from some API or from some website. It will be fetching the data or from SAP or SQL. It will be fetching the data. Next question is what is filter context? Filter context means filters applied during calculations. We will check this chocolate data set in which we had applied the filters on the top, like the slicers are there. If I will apply this to only male, then all the calculations that we had done or the visuals that we had applied it will only show the data of the male, not of the female or all. If we will apply for female, then it will show for only the female. So like this, if it will only show the measure calculates only for that filter data, not for all. Next question is what is drill through? Drill through allows users to navigate from summary reports to the detailed reports. So I will apply this one drill through in one of the visualization. So like we have the total sales by brand. If we added one of like category also beneath the brand, then there is an option of click to turn on drill down. Okay, we have this next level hierarchy also. Right now it's showing total sales by brand. If we will drill down, if we will drill down it, it will show total sales by category as well. So it shows according to the hierarchy and the lowest level of data which we have. Next question is what are time intelligence functions? These functions help analyze time-based data. Examples included total year to date, same period last year, data. So you can apply the time intelligence functions for the last year or you want to calculate the current year only, the data and data, you can use it. You can use a date difference also and all these functions are there. Our last question is, how do you optimize Power BI performance? So there are some optimization techniques are remove unnecessary columns that are here, use star schema, optimize the DAX functions that we have used, the measures or the calculated columns, reduce visuals on a page so that the performance can be improved. So these were some of the most important Power BI interview questions that every analyst or Power BI analyst should know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.